How to unlink phone number from Binance account. So if you want to unlink phone number from Binance account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Binance application. After opening your Binance, now you just need simply go with login and make sure to log into your account. Now after logging into your Binance, you just need simply go with the Binance logo, which is on the top left, and it will take it to your profile, right? So under your profile, you need to go with more services, which is on the bottom, and from here you need to go with the security section. So you need to scroll down and then tap on security, or you can also go with search and you can search for security. After searching, here you will have this kind of interface. Now if you've added your mobile number, then you just need simply go with the authentication. So in my case, I have the Authenticator app verification, but you may also have the SMS Authenticator section. So if you've added your mobile number as an SMS Authenticator, then you just need to simply go with the SMS Authenticator, and then you'll be able to remove your the mobile number from your Binance. You can just simply toggle the option off. And once you toggle off the option of SMS Authenticator, then it will ask you, are you sure you want to change the SMS authentication? You can go with continue and your mobile number will be removed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.